chia and apple, a combination with several benefits that can help you lose weight. Having a balanced diet is the best way to be healthy and lose weight. Proof of this possibility is this wonderful combination. The smoothie we're teaching you about today will provide you with the fibers and nutrients necessary to be healthy and lose that horrible fluid retention. Besides that, we know that in order for the digestive system to work well, some foods might help you, like chia. The great quantity of fiber, together with the high protein content of this seed, makes it an amazing ally in weight loss diets. The seeds contain omega-3 and 6, which is essential for brain health, and it also helps to lose weight. No wonder chia is used in vegetables and fruit salads and yogurts, because it brings in numerous benefits to our health. Want to know what to do to include chia in your weight loss diet? This powerful drink helps you keep your colon clean and your waist slim. Here are the ingredients: 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of linseed, 1 apple, honey to taste. Instructions: wash, peel, and cut the apples into pieces. Next, mix everything in the blender. It's recommended to take this drink for a week to see the benefits. What did you think of this recipe? Comment below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.